the water's moving here, dude. Right here. Welcome back to Valley Shenanigans, you guys. My name is Abel. We're out here today at the LKR. We're out here today with a new friend of ours, at the Justo. And we're out here today. We're gonna be doing some trout fishing, you guys.
So just a little bit about myself. I've been studying freshwater fisheries biology at Cal Poly Humboldt for 3 years now. So I started fishing trout fish or salmonids for quite some time. Ooh, one just jumped right over there. So I was just explaining to Abel earlier that if you want to go ahead and show them that a little, like where there's whitewater or a riffle heading towards the bottom of an area here, so that's a small little pool. Trout will linger down there right at the base of it because macroinvertebrates or little insects will wash down, and so these trout like to stay there, just hunt and feed and feed. So it's always a good idea to fish right at the base of a riffle like this, and you'll have a good time typically. So now that I saw one that was rising, it'd probably be a good idea to mimic a fly or some sort of macroinvertebrate and start casting there for the first one.
Well, definitely with good company and has a lot of information. And as soon as we got here, he just started telling me a whole bunch of stuff and details about this riffle.
Yeah.
And I was like, whoa, hold on, man. We gotta get the camera rolling because there's a lot of people that can benefit from this information. Very useful information, and I'm here to learn a lot, you know. So let's see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. Little hard plastics here.
Yep.
This little Yoziri mini jerk, I guess. Lure number 2. We're using this royal spoon. So royal spoon. Let's see. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go up in the water actually. I'm gonna get up in there. Gotta get up in there. Close and personal. Put the good old mutts to use. Very slippery, dude.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna be rigging up some HD baits, you guys. Some beautiful micro lures here. Beautiful trout lures, you guys. This is a beautiful natural color brown with a little blue flake on it. Look at that. We're gonna pair it with a little Gamakatsu jig head here.
Bobber.
Thank you, man. First one of the day on that fly. Look at that. Look at that little guy.
That's a beautiful fish.
That's a nice one, dude.
Little guy, but dude, better than none.
Yes, sir.
Looking like a steelhead, not even like a hatchery. Just fish. There we go. Come here.
Lively little guy.
Look like a hatchery to me, just because the coloration kind of tells me he's more wild. Hatchery tend to be like duller in color, and their fins are usually always messed up. You know?
Yeah, that guy has a nice little pink line in the middle, huh?
He's got more like, traditional stuff.
Beautiful. Let me get a close up.
Looks like he has damage to his jaw, the maxillary. That's what it's called right here.
Oh, I see that.
So he went after it and kind of missed the fly, but I think it's still nailing.
That's crazy, dude. Beautiful. Rod!
Fly rod, bro.
What?
Fly rod.
Are you kidding me, dude?
Hey, that's actually, hey, that's a beauty.
That's a good one, dude.
Look at that one.
On the fly.
Right on top of the lid. Bring her in. Let's see if I can get that net.
Oh, gosh. Are you kidding me, dude?
Just talking about it, having a tutorial.
Oh gosh.
Right on top of the hook, dude. That's all skill.
So, quite literally, my buddy's here is giving me a tutorial on how to use a fly rod, and we land our first trout of the day on the fly rod. Amazing.
Pretty trout too. Not bad.
Dude, this is crazy.
Cool. It's a whole nother ball game. Can you imagine like catching like a
Thank you,
like
brother.
a 4-pound trout or a salmon? Like
I'm gonna carp fish with this, man.
or that, yeah.
I'm a big carp fisherman, dude.
That's a stock trout. You can tell by the fins, but it's a pretty stock trout.
Okay.
So the hook's off.
Oh, the hook's off?
Yeah,
Okay.
came off.
You want to hold the rod? I just don't know what to do here.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Oh gosh. This is so cool, dude.
Oh shoot.
What the hell happened?
It's right here, it's right here. It's fine.
It's gone. Dude, that was so cool,
I have
man.
it on video.
Oh!
Hold on, I gotta get the.
Is it?
Oh, it came off. It came off. Cool. We're good.
Okay. I'm gonna get the other net, dude. That's cool.
Yeah.
Because I know we may need it. That's so cool. All right, so, dude, I think it's possible to land one on the trout bug then. Just let it sit there.
Or literally tying a fly on the bobber.
Yeah,
And
dude,
then-
that is so cool, dude.
Took you like, I don't know. That was probably 10 minutes.
That is crazy, dude.
Actually, it was about 10 minutes because 6 minutes I was doing something else. I have 16 minutes on the GoPro, and it took 10 minutes.
It's cool. All right,
We
so
tried everything.
we tried everything, dude. Fly rod, 10 minutes. Oh my God, dude, that got my heart pumping. Woo!
Expecting that top water.
I was not expecting that, dude. All right, you guys, so my buddy here was giving me a crash course on how to use a fly rod. No later than 10 minutes, and I landed my first trout on a fly rod. Pretty good, man. Pretty good day out here with my buddy. And now we're gonna try to imitate that and pretty much use a bobber with a trout bug here. Let's see how it goes, you guys. All right, quick update, you guys. We made it to the dam here, and as soon as we got here, you know, an altercation occurred, you know, some words were exchanged with the other anglers here. Things got a little heated, you guys, but it didn't escalate any further than that. And you know, so far out here, my buddy Justo caught one on the fly. We've been throwing out a trout bug with the bobber, kind of trying to imitate a fly, something kind of top water. And we haven't had any luck with it, but we'll see what happens. Got one on the fly right there. On the fly. I got it.
Thanks, man.
Thank you, brother. Awesome, bro. Here you go.
If you want to try to fly rod now, you can.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna leave this right here. Oh, for the hook.
I'm gonna.
Here you go, baby. I just hooked a crawdad, dude. A dead one. It's dead. Oh, that was smelly, dude. I got some scent in my bait in my lure now. Crawfish scent. That would have been cool if it had been alive. What's going on?
Hey, what's good, bro?
What's going on, T-Man?
Hey, man, you good, man? What's up?
Just doing some fishing over here at the LKR.
Oh, you still going?
Yeah, we're about to call it though. It's almost just about nightfall here.
Okay,
Was
whenever you can talk, bro, holla at me.
was good, bro. I could talk now.
Okay, nah, man, I want to come in, I want to call you, check up on you, bro, see how you doing, man. I'm over here like my boy better call hella freaking Trout, man. What's up?
Yeah, dude, we got some. I think we got just one today, man.
Oh, my God, dude. He was showing the fish, and I happened to hook another fish, bro. He took my fish and put it in his fish's mouth.
That's crazy, dude.
Bro, I'm trying to tell you, bro, it's the first time I've ever seen a double-digit bass in my
sounds chill, dude. That sounds good. Sounds like a good day, man. I mean, they're going up in size.
Same area.
They're,
Same area, bro.
they're going up. Where did he catch? Ooh, got a bite. Where did he catch that? That 10-pounder.
He caught it over there near where the rocks are. That don't make no sense. All right, so you know how you come down the parking lot and we kind of hang to the right a little bit and we kind of fish next to the boat launch?
Right.
You go to the right and you keep going straight towards where you was gonna bank fish, where you was gonna hit like shallow,
Right.
and it's right over there in that area. And
Yeah.
the guys who
Oh, we're on. We're on. We're on.
hell yeah,
Oh,
hell yeah.
come on, buddy.
That's 2 for 2. Like,
Come on. Stay on here. Yep. There we go. Second one of the day. I'm over here talking to my buddy. It's a little one, but it counts. Let me get it back in the water real quick. Oh, gosh. Look at this little guy. Tiny little guy. Yeah, dude. I'm very... Second one of the day, brother, right as I'm talking to you, man.
dude, look at the colors on that. That looks native.
What's a little native?
Yeah, the I can tell from the finnage. It's got all its fins just completely natural.
That's crazy, dude.
a nice little native one. Really cool.
That's crazy, man. Thank you, brother. I have my GoPro underwater right next to him. This is so cool, dude.
Bro, that's gonna be A1 footage right there. Just seeing him chilling.
Are you kidding me?
Dude, that's so cool.
Hello, guys. All right, guys, it's getting close to dark here. It's 5 o'clock. We only have like 10 minutes here left of daylight. It's a pretty interesting day, you guys. Came out here to the LKR with my buddy Husto over there. Been killing it with the fly, man. They definitely want to fly. One thing about today is I got a little small crash tutorial on how to use a fly rod, and within the 10 minutes, man, I hooked onto my first fish of the day. Definitely sparked the interest in me. I'm definitely gonna check out some fly gear, but we'll see what happens, you guys. Pretty good day out here at the LKR. Pretty eventful day, huh? Almost yeah. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.